new Charger, Super B.
Yep, I heard about this.
They released a teaser featuring bees on a drag strip light and playing Wiz Khalifa's Black and Yellow. Bee being a symbol for the Rumblebee, the Scat Pack. Bee's been around for a long time because it came from the bee body Mopars. There were Super Bees, there were the Coronet, the Charger, the Roadrunner, even though, of course, these aren't bee bodies anymore, but still Super Bee, a long-standing history in Mopar performance vehicles. So they're resurrecting it. The last time we had one of these, they brought it back as a special edition for 23 in one of the Hellcat models, and prior to that, it was the previous generation Charger before they had the Hellcats that had a Super B.
I've seen all kinds of speculation. Some people throwing out that it could be a drag strip variant like the Demon, or it could be a 1,000+ horsepower variant of the same straight six. And then some people saying that it's going to be a 6.4, which I can't imagine them going to a 6.4, which would be slower
because it's less powerful and much heavier.
Yeah.
And I don't know that you could fit an all-wheel drive system up there next, because you have the inline six, you have room
left
and right. I don't know, a giant iron block V8. I don't know. I don't know about the architecture underneath. Maybe they could, but
it's also tall, so they have the room to put stuff under it. The hood is the same hood as some crossover SUVs as far as height.
Well, we already have confirmed from Matt McClear, so I don't want to be a buzzkill, but it's not going to have a V8 because he recently said in an interview, or he was talking to someone and said, and we're about to release the most powerful six-pack Charger we've ever made. And this is like in the last few days. So it's like, it's not going to be a V8. I know there's some people still holding out hope. Some people are like, oh, it's a new 5.2 liter. Guys, it's not a V8.
Yeah, but what's that mean? Is that 600 horsepower?
That's what I'm wondering. They do make a 1,000 horsepower Hurricane crate engine.
I think we've talked about that before, right?
It was rumored, but now they have it. It's confirmed. There is a 1,000 horsepower Hurricane straight six.
It is overbuilt with forged internals and all that.
We've now had enough time with these cars that tuning shops have been tinkering with them, and there is some significant power to be had with those engines. So I'm wondering, that's going to be my question. What do you think, power-wise? We know it'll be more powerful than the current one, which is 550 horsepower.
I would guess that it's going to be in the low 600 horsepower range. I would say a sub 620 would be my best guess. And the reason is, if they did do a Hellcat, they would need somewhere to go. This is not going to be an 800 horsepower inline six and then potentially introduce the Hellcat with less power. The only way the Hellcat makes sense is if it's the top of the line model, like it was.
Yeah.
And they have heavily hinted at the idea that a Hellcat would come back. And if it does, and if that's part of the plan, and if getting a V8 into this thing is going to happen, it's only going to happen with a Hellcat. It's only going to happen if the Hellcat is the top of the range. So my thought is that whatever version this is, you're getting a 30 to 50 horsepower bump.
I think it has to at least have a 6 in front of it.
Plenty of companies do hey, this is a different variant. You get 17 more horsepower in this one than the other one. That's a very like BMW, very European thing, like where they'll tune it differently and then they'll charge a lot more for it.
Just a touch more horsepower.
And maybe they do that. Maybe they just sprinkle in some secret sauce, an extra pound of boost or whatever, and they try to get a little bit more out of it. If they're reaching for, potentially 50, 60, 70 more horsepower, that might entail more than just a little extra boost. It might entail different turbos or, significantly different mapping, which might need to get recertified for EPA or whatever. I don't know. I would guess that this is plus or minus 20 horsepower from the number 600.
I think it'll be at least 600.
I think it'll be between 580 and 620.
Which is an improvement over previous Super Bs in the Charger, because previous Super Bs in the Charger didn't have any extra power. They were special editions, but didn't add any power over the trim they were based on.
Yeah.
So this is the first time we're getting a Super B that actually apparently has a performance improvement.
Yeah, but then again, keeping in line with that, heck, it could just be 570.
Yeah, it could be just a touch more.
Yeah.
That's possible.
So I would say it's ballpark 600 horsepower.
Same, yeah.
So,
but we'll know on August 7th, there's a media reveal, and then Roadkill Nights is August 8th. And at that time, we'll have all those details. That's around the time this video is probably going to come out. So I will add those details right here.